if there's one or more confounding factors that an experimenter is really worried about influencing their results, they may want to be certain that that factor is equivalent across the different groups in their study. So there's different approaches experimenters can take if simple randomization isn't enough to control for one or more of these confounding factors. In the sampling module, we talked about inclusion-exclusion criteria. So that's the approach where if you're worried about something like age or ethnicity, gender, income level, diagnosis impacting your results, well, you set the inclusion-exclusion criteria to eliminate that confounding factor. So nobody with an income level above $150,000 can participate. Nobody with a diagnosis of athetoid CP can participate. In study design, we talked about the crossover design. So in that case, each participant gets all the experimental conditions. So there's not a case that some participants get one, other participants get another. A statistical approach that we'll talk about later is ANCOVA, analysis of covariance. And that's a statistical method of controlling for that confounding variable after your data is collected. Now, we talked about stratified sampling already. There's a similar idea of stratified randomization. Stratified sampling, there you're breaking your population up into strata based on age or gender, ethnicity, occupation, whatever it is, and then sampling within those strata. Same thing, same idea with group assignment. You can do stratified randomization, break your sample up by the same strata, and then create your groups by randomly assigning from within those strata. If you have a lot of confounding factors that you're trying to match, that you're trying to balance out, then you may have to resort to randomization with matching. Now here, they're actually finding within their sample 2 people that are similar on all the things they care about and then splitting them into the different groups. So this is much more expensive and labor intensive than simple randomization or stratified randomization.